Okay, I'm only gonna park. Hello guys. Today we're gonna be playing this game. Um, I don't drink versus cars. Yeah, drink versus cars. RGB color. What the fuck? What has happened to my freaking camera? Okay. Today we're gonna be Intercity. There we go. What the freak? Well, this is new. I can drive with one side. What the fuck? Anyway, how am I still driving anyway? Oh, I just bumped into that car. Black. What? 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 Tapos na. I live in the Philippines, so that's why my mom is freaking Filipino. Don't worry, I'm grade 4 and I'm already done with my freaking assignment. Anyways, we clickety click click. Clickety click click too. Oh. Well, that's new. Oh, sheesh. Ah! What has happened to my head? Beat it. I'm gonna watch this truck get mutilated by the two trains. I'll just park the truck like right over here. Get me out! Get me out! Don't leave me here, Michael! Oh, there we go. There we go. First, we're gonna the freight train, and then there's a T train time. Are they coming? The fuck? Oh! God! Ah! That was kind of awkward. Okay. RGB color. Now watch it mutilated again. Anyways, yeah. You're gonna see this truck get mutilated. Beep beep. Ow, that hurts. First and after that I'm gonna oh, I can go with the freaking train. I can go with the train. I can go with the train. What the? This is new, even for me. Well, oh, what the fuck? Ah! No! 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 Okay, that was pretty insane. Freight train. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I want to jump in with you again. What the fuck? There! There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh my god. Oh. Oh shit, oh shit. Here comes the end. Here comes the end. No. No. Help me. Help us. Ah. Uy. Uy. Oh. No wonder how I can freaking jump that high. Now I want to go to the intercity train. Boom. Okay. Yes, it was. Frick. There we go. Boom. Well, I'm stuck. Okay. That's the end of the video. Bye, guys.